When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee, yeah. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? What's up, what's up? How did I make you?
Nice kay Bian.
Thanks. Ikaw yung nurse, green lagi.
A guide that keeps you on track and a shield against the complications of blindness, amputation, stroke, heart attack, and even death. This is not just an app, but a companion in your journey to live better, longer, and stronger, to rise above, to fight back, and to beat diabetes. This is Diamet, your diabetic electronic health tool.
After allocating them to the treatment group, we had a pre-test for the anxiety level and we checked their biophysical measurements, specifically blood pressure, heart rate, respiratory rate, and oxygen saturation.
With a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being very difficult and 5 being very easy. The questionnaire was designed to be completed within an average of 15 minutes, so ensuring convenience for respondents while still capturing essential information. So for the data gathering procedure, we underwent such a rigorous and tedious process in order to gain approval from the authorized government offices.
So breast cancer is now the most common cancer in the world, with over 2.3 million new cases every year. In the Philippines, breast cancer ranks 3rd in cancer-related deaths, mostly because the cancer is caught too late. What's concerning is that although 97% of women are actually aware of it, only 5% actually get screened.
Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. Yes, you'll be my love.
Just a quick reminder for everyone that's here, upon entering the gymnasium, so proceed directly to your right.
Oo,
and also kanang first one. So good siya for the plants. I want to take
Good job.